Meaning of guardsman.
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 Guardsman. The word guardsman typically refers to a member of a military unit that is responsible for protecting important people or locations, such as a royal family or government building. Guardsmen are known for their ceremonial duties and often wear distinctive uniforms and carry weapons as a symbol of their authority. They are trained to maintain discipline, adhere to strict protocols, and act quickly and decisively in case of a security breach. Overall, guardsmen are an essential part of ensuring the safety and security of important people and places, and their duties require a high level of skill, dedication, and professionalism.